All right. So getting ready for this Friendsgiving dinner. We got Bryson, the chef.
Green and purple, got me going in circles.
Prepping. We gotta get right with the music. And yeah, we got turkey, we got ham, we got stuffing, we got gravy, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and a whole bunch of other shit. Let's get to it. But we gotta clean first.
The mama she low, mama stole. The mama she get no fuck. Bite, this is stack. She is psychic, she excited. Hot like it.
Gotta wash your hands.
Gotta what?
Culture. Niggas can get sick.
What are you doing?
Trying to get in there, man.
I just dumped a fuck ton of garlic in there, son. Get those
Yeah, all up in the pits.
Get those wings.
Yeah.
So, wish you good luck. Hopefully we'll see it on the other side, not burnt. One down. Get down like that. Maybe I'll make a whole fucking thing of fucking gravy, huh?
What the fuck?
I think we got one.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's after curfew. She done sucked the word through. Yeah, it's controversial how we make the world moves. Yeah, you said I heard you. Don't think I overheard you. What? Yeah, wait. Don't think I overheard. Don't think I overheard. Yeah, that like me. Yeah, remain low key. Yeah, fuck.
God damn it, Bryson. What are you doing, man?
Starting a fire.
Starting a fire. What you better
Doing the
cook?
one thing I've always been good at all my life. Like realistically, it's not gonna grill. It's just gonna sit in the heat. You don't need to know. Who the fuck makes mac and cheese like this? Not your mom. Your mom doesn't do this shit.
Wait. How you pull up on that bitch? We get the guap and we kick. Shawty gon' sell like a tick. Diamond they look like a dish. I put the lean in the mist. I cannot handle no shit. Shawty just handle the shit. I put the perk in the kick. We get the guap and we kick. I get the guap and I split the whole thing with my click. Baby, I diamond on my wrist. My diamonds not tipping it big. Under no light and it hit. All of these bitches we hit.
Shit's hot. What the fuck? Definitely not supposed to be doing this.
You said I heard you, don't think I overheard you. Wait. Don't think I overheard.
I'm not gonna copy you. No way.
Just don't wear it on the same day. I'll be like, Edwin, are you wearing it?
No, I'm not wearing it today. I wore it yesterday.
Bro, I bought 2 pairs.
Friendsgiving dinner is an honor for me, for you guys, because you guys are awesome people. And you guys know each other, and you guys are friends with each other. That's crazy. So this dinner is for you guys. Plus also, I'm moving out of here soon. So this is also the last gathering at this house. So that you guys were a part of. Let's fuck it up, man. Let's grab a plate, grab a drink, guys. Let's get fucked up tonight, man. Love you. What you say about the stuffing?
Yo, I don't like stuffing, but that shit's good.
What you say about the food, bro?
Bryson, you killed fucking Thanksgiving, bro.
This is fire, dude.